Hello and welcome to a humble Highland home. Thank you so much for joining us here today. So far I've shown our log store and shed build from a distance while Adam has been working on it. But today I thought we could spend some time with Adam to see what he's up to and to get an update on how the log store is progressing. Those that don't know, Adam is the man in my life. And Adam has the unique ability of bringing my doodles of ideas that have been written on a scrap of paper to life. Adam dreads the words, "I've been thinking," or "would it be possible to do?" But although the log store was originally a joint decision, Adam has taken this forward himself with a little bit of help from a friend when putting the roof on. So let's head out with Adam and he can introduce himself.
Hi, I'm Adam. Sometimes you'll see me lurking in the back of Manita's videos. And today I'm going to show you a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes when we're building these things around the garden, around the croft. So we've got a few jobs on today. One of the things Come on, Blue, why don't you just walk the plank as well? So we've got a few things on today. Pretty typical weekend, really. We've got to go and collect a neighbour's car because unfortunately he broke down yesterday, and we're going to go and pick that up for him. We're going to go and look at a vehicle ourselves with a view to maybe purchasing. And the bulk of the day, however, is going to be continuing the build of our log store. I cut some trim pieces yesterday. We're going to go and fit them. They need a bit of notching out. And then we're going to have a jolly good tidy up, because as I go through phases of the build, I'll do a bit, tidy up. Do the next phase, tidy up. Because there's nothing worse than working in a dirty workshop. So our log store has got a shed in the middle of it and the log store sections at either end. And when we put the cladding on, we end up with this. And the purpose of the trims is to close that off. And here's one we made earlier. This is the one that I did yesterday. And you can see that it just gives a nice finish to it, and it closes off that open corner. So what I've done, I've positioned my trim piece alongside where it's going to fit. I've marked top and bottom of the members that I need to cut out, but now I need to measure the depth that I'm going to cut out. And actually, if you can avoid measuring something indirectly and actually measuring it directly, and you'll see what I mean by that, you're a lot better off. So I know I'm going to have a trim piece at the side here, and I want my front piece to overlap it. So all I need to do is set my square alongside, adjust the depth of it so that it matches where I need to cut up to. Sometimes you need 3 hands to do this, but you can usually find a way. Set my square at that depth, and I know that is how much I need this front piece to move across. So that is also how much I need to cut out for my members here. Now I have my square set to depth, I can take my trim member off, lay it somewhere flat. Quite conveniently, somebody built a shed here. And now I can pick up my pencil marks mark across, and I know that is how much I need to take out. And I can do the same at the top one as well. And that's what I mean by taking a direct measurement. I actually don't know what that size is. I haven't used a tape measure to measure it. I've used a gauge, for want of a better expression. So that's us got the front piece in, and now we're just going to do the piece at the side. A little bit later than we'd planned. A few disturbances during the day, but that's our trims in now. We've only got one or two little fill-ins to do where we have to make the cutouts to fit around the supports. And now we got to tidy up and I can go and clean my workshop ready for the next step. And the next step is making some doors.
There's always lots of projects, large and small, here in the Croft, but they're all working towards a common goal of building a life of our own design. Everyone's idea of a perfect life is very personal to them, but this is what works for us. So until next time, thank you so much for joining us here today. Take care of yourself and others, and I'll see you in the next video.